Hello everyone, welcome to C Programming Workshop Part 6. Here you will learn the control structures in C. Before this, we have seen the different control structures and we started with the loop in the last video. Okay, now here we will see the nested for loop. The syntax of nested for loop is the same as a for loop. Here we are using the one for loop inside the other for loop. It is known as a nested for loop. See here for initialization and condition. If this condition is true, we will go inside this for loop. If this condition will fail, okay, condition is false, then at that time we will jump out of this loop. Okay. So after this condition, we will go inside this for. Okay, for initialization and condition. If this condition is true, then only we will execute this part. Otherwise, we will jump out of this loop. See, out of this, we will come here. Okay. And if the main condition, this condition is false, then we will go here. Okay. Closing of this outer loop. So, we will directly after this bracket we will execute the next code. Okay, let's see some example of nested for loop. We can create the different patterns by using this nested for loop. When you are facing the interviews, at that time in first round there is a 100 marks, suppose the 100 mark paper, then at that time 50 marks for the general aptitude and 50 marks for the C programming. And when you are attempting the C programming for the 50 marks, at that time 40 to 50% syllabus is based on this looping statement. Okay, and most of the part of this is based on the nested for loop. Okay, I had faced one interview of TCS. In that, in C programming part, near about the 20 marks questions for these patterns. Okay, so it is very important to learn these patterns, how to draw this, how to generate it on a screen. Let's see with the practically. Okay, here is one example. In this, we can generate this type of a pattern. Okay, here is two header files. We are using this stdio.h for the standard input, conio for the console input output.h, and here int ij we are using two variables for indexing I and j. Then for I equals to 1, okay, so I value is initially the 1, I less than equals to 4. It will execute 1 to 4. Okay, I equals to 1 and this is less than equals to 4. So for the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 times it will execute. Okay, and then I plus plus. After this, here is a one nested loop for j equals to 1. Okay, j equals to 1. Then j less than equals to I. Till when this j is executing? Till the I. Okay, and then j plus plus. See, I equals to 1, 1 less than equals to 4. Yes, it is true. So after this, it will go inside this loop. Okay, and in this loop, the first statement is for. So j equals to 1 and this 1 less than equals to 1. Yes, true. Then only it will print the star. Okay, 1 less than equals to 1. Yes, star. After this, it will go again here for j equals to 2. 2 less than equals to 1. No, fail. So it will see outside the loop. Control will jump outside this inner for loop and it will print the slash n. Again it goes to the here I equals to 2. 2 less than equals to 4. Yes, 2 is less than equals to 4. It will increment the 2 plus plus and going inside this for j equals to 1. Okay, 1 less than equals to 2. Yes, correct. Print one more star at the next line. Then j equals to 2. 2 less than equals to 2. Yes, correct. It will again print the star. Okay, one more star is there. Okay, then j equals to 3. 3 less than equals to 2. No, false. So it will jump outside this loop and it will print a slash n and again going to here I equals to 3. In that way, you can execute the loop. You can create the pattern as per your requirement. Let's see the execution. Compile this code, click on a compile. And run this code, click on a run. Okay, here is your pattern. First star, then 2 star, then 3, and then 4. Press the enter. You can change it. Okay, I equals to 1, I less than equals to 4. Okay, here. Suppose I am changing here. J is less than equals to 4. Okay, I am giving only this condition. I. Okay, I am considering this I as a row and J as a column. Okay, so execute this. Okay, now this is 4 by 4 star pattern. Suppose you want to give the space in between the star. How to give it? Press enter. See, give here space. You can press the simply space bar. Okay, here press the space bar and then check it. Okay, now this is your different pattern. Okay, suppose you want the 5 rows and 5 column, then give the 5 and 5 here. Okay, and then again execute it. Alt F9, Control F9. Okay, this is your 5 by 5 star pattern. And if you want the at the center, you want your name initial, then how to give it? Press enter. Okay, here give the one condition inside this for loop. If I equals to 3, okay, means row number 3, and J equals to 3, okay, at the center location is 3 by 3. So I equals to 3 and J equals to 3, means at the center you want your name initial. So give print F. No need to give the curly bracket because we are just typing one line. Okay. So here suppose I am pressing the S. Okay. And give the space because in star pattern we had used the space. Okay. If I equals to 3 and J equals to 3, press the S. And otherwise, so give here else execute this statement. Okay, suppose this condition occur, this is true. Okay, I equals to 3 and J equals to 3, then only S, otherwise star. Let's check it. Alt F9 and Control F9. Okay, now S at the center. If you want to generate the pattern of numbers, suppose 1 at the first row, at the second row 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how to generate it? Let's see. Let's change this program. First, save this program, and I am clicking on a save as to save it by other name. Okay, nested for 2.c. See, here I am using a equals to 1. Okay, here I am using a equals to 1. Then I equals to 1, I less than equals to till what? I want only till the 4. And here j less than equals to I. Okay, simple, I am using the previous coding. J equals to I. And I don't want this part. So I am selecting this part. You can go to the edit and you can clear this by control delete. You can use the shortcut also. Okay. See, here j equals to 1, j less than equals to I. Okay, here you can choose the condition and then j plus plus. After this, here I want the numbers, so I am deleting the star and I want a number, so I am using %d because the integer number. And after this, comma, just give the a. Okay, a is here, and let's try it. Alt F9 and then Control F9. See, here is 1, 1, 1, this type of pattern. How? Because here we have initialized a equals to 1 and we are printing a value only. But I want the incrementing value of a on the next line. So how to do this? Press enter, then a plus plus and press the semicolon. Okay, in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give the space in between So go here and after %d give some space and let's check it. Okay, now here is a space in between. Okay, in this way you can create the 1 to 10, or you want suppose the pattern like A B C D, you can do it. So for A B C D you need to use the ASCII values. Okay, so A equals to 1. Okay, I'm changing this value. A equals to 65. Okay, and just here give the, see, percent D means what? See, check this first. Control F9. See, 65 to 74. But I want the value, means 65 is a capital A. So I want this capital A here. So erase this %d and do the %c here. And check it, Alt F9 and Control F9. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G in this way. Okay, you can create and you can change the value of here I equals to 1, a equals to 65, and you can generate the n number of patterns by using this. Let's try this different patterns. I am providing you one example also. Please try it. If you have any problem, please type in a comment box. I will show you how to solve it, how to generate the coding for this.